Now, if you're like me and you use AI tools to make money online, you agree with me that to complete one project, you have to go through a lot of AI tools. That is, you have to jump from ChatGPT to Gemini to Veo 3 to Nano Banana, Claude, and even Canva. And this can be very, very exhausting, but not anymore, because in this video, I'm going to be letting you in on one tool that I use to achieve my project without having to jump through any other AI tool. That is, this one tool can do the job of Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Veo 3, Canva, and so much more. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To get started, fire up your browser and visit Skywork.ai. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that I can access it easily. Now that it has opened, the next thing you want to do is to come right here and click on login. Now, in the past, I've made a video on how you can use this tool to do a deep research and find promising niches you can start on YouTube and start making a lot of money. I've done that tutorial before. I'm going to leave it in the description, or you can go ahead and click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything you need to know about this tool and how you can use it to build your YouTube content, YouTube channel, or any other thing that you're trying to do, as long as it needs slides, it needs documents, images, sheets, website, videos, anything you can think of. You can achieve it here. So let's get started. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give it my first prompt, which is I want to build a YouTube channel. Now, because I'm a YouTuber with multiple YouTube channels, I talk more about YouTube and everything, but this is not just peculiar for YouTubers. Even if you don't create content on YouTube, you can use this tool to achieve a whole lot. If you work in a company, you're a student, you're a teacher, you're a lecturer, whatever you do, as long as you rely on AI tools to generate text, slides, images, videos for you, anything, you can always follow the steps that I'm going to be showing you in this video to achieve a greatness. All right, so here's my prompt. I want to build a YouTube channel from scratch around the topic of AI tools for content creators. Give me a complete strategy plan, including niche positioning, content pillar, upload schedule, and monetization approach. So now that we have the prompt locked in, if you come over to the model, you have a lot of options here. You have the Claude, the highest version of Claude, you have ChatGPT, and so on. But as always, I will always go with auto model. So now that I've selected that, I'm going to send it and let it do its magic. And here you can see that it's done generating our document, AI tools for content creator. It did a deep research and gave me everything that I need. And here you can see the content. It formatted the content. That's why I said this tool can do the work of any other tool that you can think of. Because at this point, ChatGPT would have generated just a text for you. You have to copy it from ChatGPT and maybe go to Claude to be able to put it in a document, and then leave Claude, and then you have to go to Canva to generate the cover and all of that. But with this tool, you do all that. You don't have to juggle through all these tools. And remember, as you're moving from one tool to the other, you're paying here, paying here, paying here. And before you know it, all those payments will add up to a huge amount of money every month. And that is why I found Skywork. And since I found it, I've been recommending it to everybody because number one, I've canceled all my subscriptions across boards. And number two, it gives me detailed information, detailed breakdown of anything that I need. I mean, you can literally generate anything whatsoever. So now you can see content 1 to 10, executive summary. You can see dimension, strategy, choice, rationale. So it gives you a very well detailed document. So if you're using it for a project, or you're using it for work, or you're using it for your school, or whatever it is that you're using it for, it will always generate a very well detailed document for you. But let's say this is not enough. Let's say this is just like surface level. This is surface level, and you want it to go deeper. You want it to expand more. Remember, if you're using Claude, if you generate multiple times, it will lock you out and tell you, oh, it's enough. Even when you have a pro plan, it will still tell you, oh, it's enough for today. You have to come back in some hours time and all of that. But with this tool, all you have to do is to just keep generating, and it will not even take your credit. As long as you're generating the same thing, it's not going to take out your credit. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to expand on this document. We're going to expand it because we want more, okay? And what we're going to do is to put in our prompt, which is very simple. Now, expand this into a detailed content outline. Include research insights of what topics that are currently trending in the AI tools niche, what questions creators are searching for, and structure the first 10 video ideas with titles and hook angles. Now, how cool is this? So now that I have this, I'm going to go ahead and send it so that it's going to expand on this and give me what I want. All right, so now it's done expanding our document and it has done exactly what we want it to do. Here you can see the file has been updated. Here is a summary of everything added. So here you can see before we had 10 contents, now we have 12. So he added more. So here you can see he added section 11, trending topic intelligence and creator search insights. He also added 6 hot topic clusters identified from live search data and creator community signals. So number 1, AI video repurposing, AI voiceover and audio enhancement. Here you can see everything that it has added. It has expanded our document for us. So now it's ready to go. Now, how cool is this? This is incredible if you want to do deep research and get a very good result. This tool is your go-to place. And now the next thing I want to show you is how you can convert any document to slides. That is, if you're doing a research and you're done with the research just like this, and then you feel like converting it to slide, maybe you want to do a presentation. If you're a YouTuber and you want to use it in your video, or you want to use it in school, all you have to do is to come over to your prompt and simply tell it to convert this document into a presentation deck. I need clean professional slides with modern design. Each section of the document should become its own slide with a clear headline, key bullet points, and a visual suggestion for each slide. And I'm going to go ahead and send it and let it do its magic.
2 seconds later.
And now it's done generating our slides. Let's take a look and see what it generated for us. Now, how cool is this? This is incredible. You can see how detailed and beautiful and amazing this thing looks. If you have not liked this video by now, please go ahead and smash the like button, because those your likes encourage me to make more videos like this. So if you want to see more videos like this on this channel, please go ahead and smash that like button. This is really incredible and it looks very beautiful. You can see how well detailed it is, and you can download anything that it generated for you. It's very easy to download it. To download it, all you have to do is to click on this download button right here, and it's going to give you an option to select the download format that you want. If you want PPTX, if you want PDF, if you want HTML, if you want Google Slides, anyone you want is totally fine, but I'm going to be downloading this one. So it's going to download straight to your device. And once it downloads, you're good to go. Let's go ahead and preview it full screen and see how it looks. Now, this is exactly how our slide looks, and it looks amazing. Now, you can see how the workflow, everything, it has up to 15 pages just like that. Now, imagine how this is going to save you a lot of time from creating slide, having to do all of this. Now it has done it and well detailed, and everything is spelled out nicely. Now, how cool is this? So now that we have this out of the way, the next thing we want to do is to go a little bit further. So we're trying to generate cover visuals and graphic elements for this presentation. So we're trying to generate the cover and graphic elements for this presentation, keep the design consistent throughout, use a bold modern style with a dark background and high contrast accent colors suitable for a tech and AI focused brand. Now I'm going to go ahead and send it and let it generate the cover visuals for us. Now, what I'm trying to do here is to show you that there's no limit to what this can do. I don't think ChatGPT can generate slides like this. I don't think Gemini can generate slides like this. And Claude, if Claude has to generate something like this, is going to exhaust your token with just one send. And trust me, that is not what you want. And now you can see that it's done generating our cover and it looks amazing. Now, how cool is this? Now, the possibilities of this tool is mind-blowing. There's nothing I've actually asked it to do or I wanted to do with this tool that it hasn't done for me. You can even ask it to put everything here in a spreadsheet and it's going to do just that and even more. Now, how cool is this? Now, there are so many other things that you can use this tool for, and step by step, I'll be breaking it down in different videos. So if you want to see those videos, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Now, I would like you to go ahead and try this tool and let me know what you think about it. And again, I was able to talk to the team of Skywork and they have agreed to give you a 20% discount. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can use it to sign up and get your 20% discount on sign up. It's free to test. You can go ahead and test it for free, no credit card required. But if you want to move on to big things, then you're going to get a 20% discount courtesy me. Please remind them that I sent you, okay? So now that we have that out of the way, here is the next video that I recommend that you watch on this channel to learn more ways you can use Skywork.ai to make money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.